In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add footers and headers in Card. By the end, you'll know exactly how to define clean header and footer areas using markers, so your layout looks intentional and polished. Start by opening your site in the Card Builder so you can make changes. At the top of the editor, click the plus icon to add a new element. From the element list, choose Control. The control element lets you add special behavior to the page, and in this case, we'll use it to mark where the header begins. In the control settings, open the type menu and select Header Marker. This tells Card that everything around this point relates to your header area, which is great for consistent spacing and behavior across your page. Before you confirm, adjust the margin. Margin controls the space around the marker so your header doesn't feel cramped or too far away from your content. A small positive value keeps things tight, a larger value adds breathing room. Aim for consistency with the spacing used elsewhere on your site so it feels cohesive. When you're happy with the spacing, click Done to apply the header marker. Next, we'll set up the footer in a similar way. Click the plus icon again to add another element and choose Control. In the control settings, open the type menu and select Footer Marker. This marks the point that defines your footer area near the bottom of your page. Just like before, adjust the margin to control the space around the footer so it's separated from the main content without leaving an awkward gap. Think about how the page ends. A touch of extra space often improves readability and gives the design a clean finish. When the spacing looks right, click Done to save. That's it. With a header marker at the top and a footer marker near the bottom, your Card site now has clearly defined bookends. These markers help maintain consistent spacing and make future edits, like adding navigation or credits, much easier to manage.